This portion was brought to you by Gran Matador Brandy. Continue to be on the lookout for the hottest issues with Showbiz Central, brought to you by new Nescafe Iced Coffee.
Ilang shot lang, di ka na blanco. Ilang shot lang, utak ay listo. Tuloy-tuloy ang usap, sa Nescafe listo ang utak. Sunod ka sa ikot ng mundo, yo. Moment, one Nescafe, yo.
Grab the new Nescafe Iced Coffee. 10 pesos lang.
Moment, one Nescafe.
New Pond's Age Miracle has advanced CLA4 complex that helps restore youthful beauty in 7 days.
This portion was brought to you by Lucky Me Instant Mommy.
Uy, BF mo.
Wala na akong boyfriend.
Correct! Hello.
Nandiyan siya? Pakisabi.
Sorry daw.
Yun lang!
Tagal pa to. Buti may tawag 236 na ang Globe. 20 pesos lang ang isang 20-minute na tawag. Just change 0 to 236.
May sasabihin daw.
Tingin ka sa labas.
Without the builders in the right combination, think of your child.
Good thing there's Sustagen with 23 Resistencia builders, expertly formulated, working together to help build his outstanding body. Sustagen built, Sustagen strong.
I tested those super expensive creams versus New Pond's, and only Pond's gave me the best results.
New Pond's Age Miracle has advanced CLA4 complex that helps restore youthful beauty in 7 days.
Kaya I don't just recommend it, I use it.
Tipid sa pamasahe. Tipid sa kuryente. Nagtipid na tayo, Mare. Buti na lang, lahat ng nakasanayang pampalasa nasa isang magic na. Magic sarap. Ito lang ang granulated, kaya nagsusumiksik ang all-in-one sarap ng knitted spices sa bawat granule. Kaya sa dating gamit, bawas na. Menos gastos pero di